So, it's been like 15, 16, fucking less than a month since the last video. We're still in December here. Little progress update. Currently making two separate loading walls to get me a 21 by 34 port opening, and that's like 715 square inches of port. So I gotta cut my steel tubing for this and make it a thick panel to put in the vehicle. Let's want to see the back of the vehicle. We've came a long ways. Little sneak peek here of the, oh shit, I see some loud shit. Very, very loud shit going on here. Woo boy. Oof. Oofta, oofta. That shit is heavy. I mean, we had to use a fucking skid steer with fork attachments to lift the ceiling part of the enclosure in separately. Obviously, every piece is built separately and then put in. To lift it in, it was like 450 pounds, pushed up right against the roof line. Shit's fucking retardo. It's gonna probably be dark in here, but speaker holes, or speaker wire holes. But you see how I got that curt, and it's even bent to the roof line too. I potentially kind of bent it to follow that B-pillar bracing there. And Echo! Echo! God damn, she already has a fucking ring to her. She is a fat bitch, she is. Woo! That thing echoes. God damn. Yeah, the 1.5 ton suspension, this big custom suspension I have on here is already sagging 2 inches. And it's just the enclosure itself, not even finished enclosure either. I have baffles right now at a local steel shop getting CNC plasma cut both sides for the 15s. I'll be here by next weekend. That'll be put in. Got some of this angle iron here that I'm prepping. Gonna picture box frame it, so 45s, and just make a beautiful picture for each side for the baffle to sit up against. That'll be welded the way around the car on both sides, and I'll sit against that angle iron, then weld it from the inside on the angle iron, and then obviously around all the other plate. Steel baffles, everything steel. Yeah, it's been a lot of fucking work. Taking a break here before I'm going to start welding the loading walls together with the steel square tubing, and weld that in there and build each one separately, and then put those, once those baffles are in, or here and in, then those will go in. So I have time right now to manufacture or build, whatever you want to call it, the front loading walls. So when the baffles get here and they're put in and welded in, then those will get up in there, slapped in, welded in, and then I will make all my necessary trim panels to seal off from B-pillar, all steel panels welded to the car. And then from there, I'm going to start doing the deadening work, the 2,000 pounds of Vibraflex, and I only was able to find, I'm like the last guy to get a double rigid here in the States. I got the last like 100 square feet. So 100 square is going to go up on the roof first, lock in, and then the rest of it Vibraflex up there, then Vibraflex all on the floor, behind the dash, on the dash, behind all the plastics, to beef up the plastics. Every place I could fucking cram it, nook it, fucking whatever, I'm just gonna put it in there. 2,000 pounds worth in front of B-pillar, make that shit strong as fuck. Put all the OEM panels back in, give me some aftermarket nice seats, then start doing the install, the actual batteries, subs, amps, wiring, alternator, all the goodies, the DSP, the mid-range amps, build me the door panels. While I'm doing the door panels, deaden the rest of that, which needs a fuckload of deadener. Being a stock cabin, this thing's gonna need some beef. So she's gonna be a mean son of a bitch just by I keep looking back at her. She's, woo! Sasha got a fat ass. The way I like it. That was weird. But anyways, yeah, it's a small update. You kind of get the idea what's going on here. Make some fucking huge progress. I don't fucking rest. Between running a business with DJ Rusticals and doing this, I've been 60, 70, 80 hours a week just fucking grinding, getting major progress. So I'm happy where I'm at, about a month and a half in altogether on the actual build and that far along. I mean, there's some serious welding going on here. Here, I'll even open up the passenger door. I'll show you one of the sidewalls here. That is one fucking tank. Ow. Fucking ow. Shit's strong already, so you get the idea. Peace out until next time.